Hi guys, I'm Rica G and this is Rica G channel. Welcome back for another vlog, and before I start, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below for you to be notified whenever I upload new videos. If you're new in this channel talks about lifestyle, tips, tutorials, and reviews. So for today's video, i-discuss natin kung paano kumuha ng loyalty card plus sa Pag Ibig. So let's watch this guys. Pag Ibig Loyalty Card Plus. What is the use of Pag Ibig Loyalty Card? The Pag Ibig Loyalty Card Plus allows you to enjoy exclusive discounts and rewards on your grocery purchases, tuition fee, hospital bills, fuel expenses, restaurant bills, and many more from our more than 300 partner establishments nationwide. This is from the Pag Ibig website. They introduced the Pag Ibig Loyalty Card Plus, the agency's very own cash card. The new and improved Pag Ibig Loyalty Card Plus can now be used as a cash card where borrowers can receive the proceeds of their multi-purpose loans, MP2 dividends, and other benefits by Secretary Eduardo D. So how to get the Loyalty Card Plus? We have 3 easy and simple steps to follow. But first, requirements must be an active Pag Ibig member. And prepare the following: Loyalty Card Plus application form, Pag Ibig NID number, 1 valid ID, 120 pesos payment for the cash card. Let's go to the step 1. Fill up the loyalty card application form. So here's the sample of the loyalty card application form. On the upper right corner, isulat nyo yung Pag Ibig NID number nyo or yung 12-digit na Pag Ibig NID number. And then, read carefully the instructions. Kasi on number 7, nakalagay dito, all fields which are marked with asterisks are mandatory. So, fill up tayo dito sa first part, membership category. Then, members' personal details, address and contact details, present employment details, previous employment from date of Pag Ibig Fund membership, and at the back of the form, other information, agreement, and magsasign kayo dito sa signature of member, and date kung kailan kayo kumuha ng loyalty card application or kung kailan kayo nag-apply. Itong lower part ng back page, wag nyo na lang intindihin to or leave it blank. Next is the step 2. Proceed to any Pag Ibig branch near you and bring the Loyalty Card Plus application form, 1 valid ID, and 120 pesos payment for the cash card. So, in my case, dito ako kumuha sa Pag Ibig Shaw Boulevard sa Pasig. And meron naman silang social distancing and organized sila. Medyo nagtagal lang ako kasi late na ako nakapunta. And may limit din sila na first 150 per day lang yung ina-accommodate nila. So, dito na yung capturing, signature, thumb mark, and payment. As soon as matapos na yung process, makukuha mo rin agad yung loyalty card. For the step 3, you have to change the temporary PIN number na ibibigay sa inyo nandun sa loob ng envelope and loyalty card plus. Yung Loyalty Card Plus is not just cash card. Meron din siyang mga partners and benefits like mga discount. For global, iRemit 25% discount on service fee for Pag Ibig remittance if remitted together with any regular remittance. For partners and benefits national, To go, Group Inc., 20% discount on retail ticket fares at participating outlets. Air 21, 5% discount on domestic shipments. Boss Coffee, 30% discount for a minimum purchase of 500 pesos. Fragrance Factory, Crown Regency, Home Depot, David Salon, Derm Care, DHL, FPG Insurance, George, Hair Food Company, HBC, High Precision, Human Nature, Informatics College, Jackie, KAAGAPAY Program, McDonald's, MedExpress Drugstore, Microtel, Mr. Quickie, Petron, Petron Gasol, Fieldcare, Pure Gold, Raxo Travel, Rusty Lopez, STI. Also, they have tie-ups with bags and accessories, beauty and wellness, clothing, department stores and supermarket, education, food and restaurant, hardware, appliances and auto service, health and medication, hotels, leisure and recreation, memorial plan, transportation. So as we can see, there are so many benefits na makakakuha tayo ng discounts kapag kumuha tayo ng Loyalty Card Plus. With all the 3 steps na diniscuss ko, and so easy naman to accomplish, let us all get our own Loyalty Card Plus.
Very simple and easy to follow. Thank you for watching. Bye!